Good morning, students. In the previous lesson, we have studied about the types of the set. Today, we are going to study about subset, proper subset, improper subset, and power set. Subset, a set A is called the subset of set B if all the elements of set A are also the elements of set B. We can take the example A. Set A contain 1 and 2 elements, and set B contain 1, 2 and 3 elements. Here we see that A is a part of set B. In set A, element 1 and 2 are also present in set B, but element 3 is not in set A. In this case, A is a proper subset of set B. And we can write set A is a subset of set B, and set B is called the superset of set A, and it can be written as set B is a superset of set A. Students, the null set is a subset of every set. Whenever we write the subset of a set, we write first subset, that is null set, and every set is also subset of itself, and that is called improper subset. Now students, if we want to find the number of subset which we can make from a set, to find the number of subset of a set, the formula is 2 power n, where n is the number of element in a set. For example, if we have set A which contain A, B, C and D elements, it means the number of elements of a set A are 4. So to find the number of subset of set A, we will write 2 power n, which is equal to 2 raised to the power 4, and which is equal to 16. It means we can make 16 subsets of set A, including the null set. The second example, if we take set B, the element of set B are L, M and N. It means set B has 3 elements. So the number of subset of set B will be equal to 2 power n, or 2 raised to the power 3, which is equal to 8. So in this way we can find the number of subset of a set. In the beginning, as I told you, that there are 2 types of subset. One is proper subset and another one is improper subset. Now proper subset can be defined as, if we have two given sets, then every element of set B is also an every element of set A, and set A contain at least one element which is not an element of set B, then B is called a proper subset of set A. It can be written as B is a proper subset of set A. Here the condition is that superset should have at least one element which is not contained by subset. Now we'll see the definition of improper subset. If every element of set B is also an element of set A, and every element of set A is also an element of set B, then B is called an improper subset of set A, and A is an improper subset of set B. It can be written as B is an improper subset of set A, and A is an improper subset of set B. Take an example. Suppose set A is equal to 1 and 2. The element of set A are 1 and 2. Now we can find the number of subset of set A by the formula 2 raised to the power n, that is 2 power 2, because set A has two elements, and we know that 2 power 2 is equal to 4, and we can make 4 subset of set A. The first subset I told you is the null set, then second one with single element A1, and third one is single element 2, and fourth one is a subset which contains 1 and 2 elements. The last set O, which is a subset of set A, is equal to set A. The element of set O are equal to the element of set A, and that is called improper subset. Other three are proper subset. Now, out of 4 subsets, there are 3 proper subset and 1 is improper subset. If the element of set A are 3 in numbers, then we can make 8 subsets, and this, out of 8 subset, 1 will be the improper subset and 7 will be proper subset, including null set. The same way, if a set has 4 elements, we can make total 16 subset, because 2 raised to the power 4 is equal to 16, and out of these 16 subsets, 15 will be proper subsets and 1 will be improper subset. Now student, we will write power set of a set. We can define power set of a set. Power set of a given set A is a set which contains all the subset of set A, and it is denoted by capital P and A in brackets, and we read it par set of set A. For example, A contains A, B and C elements. It means the number of subset of set A will be equal to 2 raised to the power n, equal to 2 raised to the power 3 and equal to 8. Now if we take all the subset of set A and write them in one set, that becomes the power set of set A. Another example, we can take set B, which contains 4 elements. We can make 16 subsets of set B. And when we write all these 16 subsets in one set, that becomes the power set of set B. So from these two examples, we learned that a power set is a set which contains all the possible subset of set A. Now from today's lesson, we have learned proper subset, improper subset and power set of a set.